Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Nishad and I'm back here at the same job from last video. Today it is Saturday morning and we're looking at finishing this whole job by the end of the weekend. With that being said, let's get started. So this is where we're going to be building this time. It's going to be exact same as that side over there. I'm going to go ahead and start by extending the post at every single fence post. We have about 3 on this one, so let's get started. Most people would probably use a brad nailer or one of those cordless staple guns, but me, I'm going to use these 1.5 inch finish nails. They're also galvanized, so they're good for outside. I just prefer it more, and I just put them in with the hammer. Yeah. So now I've got one post up. I've got one more left over here, and then 2 small ones on top of the fence over there. Now that all my posts are up, I can go ahead and start working on my 2x6 and 2x4 toppers. I'm going to go ahead and cut them and I'm going to put them all in. Also, I forgot to record it, but I leveled over the height of that post right there to that one, and that one was about this much too high. So I went up on the ladder, I cut it with the saw, and now I can just go flush with the top of the post and I'll know that my 2x6 toppers are level. The ones on the fence are a little bit lower, so I'll just put my blocks a little higher and then it'll all be level. Alright, now that I've got all my 2x6 toppers up, it's time for me to lay out where I need all my 2x4s and then go ahead and pre-cut those. I've just finished laying out all my 2x4s. I know that I'm going to need 9 on this side, so I'm going to go ahead, hop down there and cut 9. I'm just standing on the fence right now, tight roping. Whoa! I gotta focus where I'm going. Okay, let me hop down. The worst possible thing just happened. I only had one jigsaw blade left and it just snapped. I bought five last weekend and they just break so easily because they're so thin, long, and brittle. So I don't have any more blades. I'm gonna have to run to Home Depot and buy another pack. They're pretty expensive too, so it's kind of sucks. I only had like 3 or 4 more cuts left too, so I was hoping I could I could get away with it, but I guess not. I'm gonna have to go buy some more. All right, I'm here at Home Depot. I gotta pick up the jigsaw blades, and since I'm here, I also gotta pick up the wood stain for tomorrow and some brushes as well. So yeah, let's grab all that. All right, I found the jigsaw blades right here. They're kind of hard to find. They're in a weird spot and they're really small too. These are the ones I need right here. Now let's go get some wood stain. All right, this is the stain I'm gonna go with. Outdoor stain. Originally I was gonna get an interior one, but I realized my mistake. So this is rated for outdoor. Redwood color, 4 years on deck. 1 can should be enough, so let's go. All right, I'm back from Home Depot. It's time to get back to work. All right, here's my stack of 9 2x4s. Now that I've got all those cut, I'm gonna hop up there and install them all. I just realized the mistake while putting this in, while recording it actually. This end right there is supposed to have the same end as that there. I don't know why I did a regular corner there. It's supposed to, that one's supposed to be 1.5 inches back, and then this one's supposed to run past it with that finish right there. So at least I caught it. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna make it look nice. Now that looks way better, doesn't it? I don't know how I missed that earlier, but I'm happy I caught it. So now it's fixed and I like it. All right, that's all the 2x4s up, and slowly but surely we're getting there. Now I'm on to the last step, which is putting the covers in between the posts. That's what really transforms everything. Once I do that, it's gonna look really good. Let's get started and let's go home. All right, I got all my horizontal pieces in here. I got one for that end wall as well. Some of these 1x2s aren't straight though. Like as you can see, it's like kind of touching each other there. So what I'm gonna do to combat that is put another vertical piece dead center to try to stiffen up all of them. Put one in the center there. They're only in the long span, so I'll put some there, and I'll also put one there as well, just so it's matching. These ones are shorter spans, so I don't have to worry about it. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then that's it for today. That looks pretty good with the vertical piece in the middle there. It's gonna help keep them straight as well. So that's it for today. I've got all the framing done. Tomorrow, it's gonna be an easy day. We're just gonna work on staining everything. Yeah, no pellets, nothing, just stain everything. I'm actually getting some help from the homeowner too. He's starting to stain right now, and should make my job easier tomorrow. But for today, I'm gonna wrap up. I'll see you tomorrow morning.